Hello, folks. Let's get straight to the point. So, it might happen that when you install OBS Studio and you try to capture your desktop with it, when you click on Add Source and select Display Capture, like you normally would do to record your display, you might not be able to stream or record anything, it will just show a black screen. So, the solution to this problem is very simple. You just have to right click on the Windows icon, select System, and then search for graphic settings. Then on that you have to select desktop app, then browse, and then you have to browse the folder in which your OBS Studio is installed. It's normally in program files, OBS Studio bin 64-bit. Here it is. Just add it. Now click on options. Now you can see two options here. So if you just want to record your desktop, which is by default running on your integrated GPU, then you just have to select power saving mode. And if you want to record an application like a game which runs on high performance dedicated GPU like Nvidia in my case, then you have to select high performance mode. Right now I just want to record my desktop or stream my desktop. I will select power saving mode, then I will click save, and then I will open the app again, and as you can see there is no more black screen. I can record my desktop easily. Remember, this power saving mode cannot record the applications which will run on dedicated high performance graphic card. So if you want to record your game, you have to follow the same process and select high performance GPU. And if you just want to record your desktop or stream your desktop, you have to select the power saving mode. That's all. I hope the solution worked for you.